is you guys playing back, and well, got a new setting for today. Got my living room. So there is our little shelf of things. Behind me is the lamp, and a little picture with a piano. And my mom can actually play the piano, which is pretty cool. And we got a new TV. There, and that's our new TV. And it's got really good definition. It's a lot higher definition than my TV. Hi, DJ.
What are you doing?
Recording a video.
Why?
Well, I got a YouTube channel.
What?
I got a YouTube channel.
Why are you recording?
Well, we gotta upload videos daily.
Why?
Well, one of my friends at school wants me to. And there's actually one girl who has a crush on me, I think.
Yeah?
Yeah. And for the crush, I am looking at you, Elizabeth Chicky. I know you have a crush on me, mainly because you called me cute. It's pretty easy to tell then.